Hello everyone, welcome to another React tutorial. So today we'll understand how the React props is used. So let's go through some sample code in React application and we'll try to open in Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, this is a sample application which is created from our Node.js package. Now let's understand the concept of props. Basically, the props is used for passing values from a parent component to a child component. So let's create some child components. Let's create some component called product.js. Let's say we can create a component called category.js. Finding inventory.js. Now let's go to app.js and try to pass some values or property values from app.js to our product.js. So let's declare our product component. Let's say we need to pass some property values like product name. Let's have this. This is Samsung. Product price. Now let's go to our product.js and implement our product component code. Let's create a function. Now, as you can see, the argument should be props. So props will be used to fetch our property values from the app.js component. So let's declare a variable called product name and get it from props. So let's create a return script and declare back. Let's display the components. The property values. Let's say the product name is product prices. Now this will be displayed in the browser. Now let's pass another attribute value to the child component called category.js. So let's create a category component and have a property name as category name. Let's say we can have it as electronics. Let's go to our category.js and try to create the component. Again, again we have to use the props argument, and we can declare a variable category name. Let's get it from props. Let's implement our return function. Let's say the category name is, will display the variable name. Export this function. Now let's go to our product.js, and we can declare one function using this syntax. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be using this variable called product detail and have a setter method for this variable. And we'll be using a function called useState, which is available in React. So the purpose of this function is we can pass the function to a child component, where the child component can modify the values through that function so that it will be displayed in our parent component. So let's try to create some attributes for this product detail. Let's say we can have it as name. Let's have it as blank for now. Let's have count. Let's say have it as 0. Now let's implement the function which will be passing to our child component, that is the inventory class. So let's create a set details function. The argument will be the product detail variable which we just created. And let's just use the setter method for the product detail. That's it. Now let's import our child components. And finally the use state. Let's export this product component. Now let's create the inventory component and pass that function which we just declared, set details function. So now let's go to our inventory.js and declare the function. Again, you have to use props. And let's implement a function called say setInfo. And use the props. And already we have passed the set details which is available in props. Now we have to set the new values available in the product detail. Let's say name, we can have it as say Nokia. and count will be greater as 4. Now let's implement our return function. Let's have a button. The value will be having something like click. We'll have the dot click function, which will be calling our set info. Finally, we have to export our inventory component. So now we can go back to our product.js and display the updated value. Let's use our product detail variable. We can use the name which is available in the product detail variable. And product count. Yeah, so the code has been implemented. Now let's try to run the local server and see how it comes up. We'll go to command prompt. Okay, product is not defined, so let's go back to our app.js. Let's import the product component. So as you can see, the page is displayed like this. So the existing product name is Samsung, product price is 1000, and the category name is electronics. So if you see our product.js code, so that is how it's happening. Existing product name, product price, and the category name is electronics. Now we'll be using our inventory details to update the variable product detail name and count. So if you click on, currently it is not having any values. If you click on the click button, so as you can see, we have the updated values as Nokia and the product count is 4. So these are obtained from our child component, that's the inventory component. So yeah, so this is how the props in React works. Hope you enjoy the session, and I'll be coming up with future sessions on different technical topics. So please stay tuned. And if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.